Hey, I'm back. Tonight we're having fish tacos. Don't that look good? It tastes delicious. First, let's make a quick grocery store run. I need a few ingredients. Right now I'm at H Mart in Catonsville. H Mart is one of my favorite supermarkets. Right now I'm picking up cilantro, thyme, and parsley out this aisle. Next we'll move on to the fish aisle, and I'm going to get 2 packs of snapper fillets. After that, meet me in the kitchen, y'all. Okay guys, so I'm back home. Here's my fish. I've cleaned it. Yes, it has the skin on, but I'm going to take the skin off. I chose snapper because we do not like cod or mahi-mahi. We prefer this fish, so that's what I'm gonna use. That's my lime and cilantro, my red onions and tomatoes. I'm gonna try my best to give you detail by detail. Follow along. Okay guys, so once you skin your fish just like that, that's the excess skin that I took off this fillet. You want to just cut slices, well, not really slices, but just cut them into sections, pieces like that, or do it your way. Whatever works for you is fine. I'm just making it simple. And again, I'm taking the skin off. That it's not going in these tacos. Here are my seasonings. I'm keeping it very simple. So I'm using my cutting board. It's already dirty, so I'm just going to season everything there. And once your skillet is hot, place your fish on there on low heat and turn them often so they don't burn or dry out. Mine's is ready, so I'm going to take them off and set them to the side. Next, I'm going to toast my tortillas. I'm going to add butter to my skillet, place those tortillas on there, and flip them, I'm sure y'all know how to cook tortillas, so yeah. I like mine with extra butter, nice and buttery. Alright, so we're done. Now it's time to make our tacos. I'm starting with my lettuce. After the lettuce, I'm going to then put my fish in. After my fish, I'm going to put a little of the sauteed red onions. I did that off camera. I'm not sure if I showed it or not, but I did saute the red onions for a little bit. So after my onions, I'm going to put a little tomato. And then after that, I'm going to add my sauce that I also made off camera. And all it is mayo, sriracha, and honey. It's so delicious. There it is right there. Drizzle a little bit of that on your taco. As much as you like. We are sauce lovers, so I'm gonna go ham with the sauce. Okay guys, I'm done. Dinner is ready. Looks delicious and tastes even better.